My name is Azhar. I come from Malang, Indonesia. I'm a graduate student in data science program at WPI.
Hi, I'm Tongyuan Tang. I'm from China, and I'm a data science student in WPI.
I'm Yanpu. I come from China. I'm a data science student at WPI.
Starting from 3 months ago, we've been doing our graduate qualifying project, or GQP. GQP is basically a capstone project which is designed as a final requirement for us to complete our graduate degree program at WPI. So the idea of this GQP is basically to implement all of the knowledge that we have during our classes in the real world project.
So Pfizer is one of the largest pharmaceutical companies in the world, and here we are at its R&D headquarters here in Groton, Connecticut.
One of the main activities here at Pfizer is doing research and development. Many scientists at Pfizer are focusing on doing experiments to create much better and more affordable medicines. So every day, every hour, or even second, the scientists are generating a lot of data coming from their experiment.
This huge amount of scientific data is produced from their electronic laboratory notebook, from the lab instruments, or from software they use. These data are spread out in various locations and also stored in different formats. As a result, when they want to do complete analysis, the process of data extraction, aggregation, and visualization is largely manual. We try to solve this problem by doing a proof of concept of Scientific Data Cloud project. Scientific Data Cloud will streamline the data movement in a single cloud system to be easily accessed, analyzed, and visualized. The first process in SDC is that all data coming from multiple sources are ingested into the cloud system using automatic script. This automatic script will process the data so that it will be stored in a uniform format. Once the data is ingested in the cloud, the scientists can easily access it through web interface and visualize them using the visualization tools that they are already familiar with. In this way, the data management is now easier and a lot more efficient.
One of the problems we have here in Pfizer Medicinal Sciences is data management. And in science, a lot of our scientists produce a lot of data all the time. And keeping track of that information and correlating that information with results is a really time-consuming task for our scientists. I've been really excited about the concept of the Scientific Data Cloud and the work that the WPI students have put into it to make this a reality, where the scientists can go in the lab, run a reaction, the data will be automatically pulled from the instruments, go into the cloud, and within minutes be visible for analysis from really anywhere in the world, anywhere in Pfizer world.
So within a very short time during this project, so the students built out this system which incorporates a Hadoop center. That's a MapR product. They built an ingestion process which takes files that have been created through this IC Data Center software, moves it into the Hadoop Hadoop system, processes it, and then makes it available for data analytics. And then the data analytics primarily being Spotfire and Tableau, and produced the ability to view this data, and then also to overlay different experiment data on one on top of another. So this is done in a very short-term, rapid project, and incorporated Python programming, drill SQL programming, scripting. So many different technical skills that were required. And also the ability to listen to requirements, to digest those requirements and turn those into a technical solution. So overall, I think it's been a very, very successful project. Short-term, fast. The students performed very admirable in this project.
Yeah, this is the first large-scale ingestion of a specific type of scientific data on this new concept within Pfizer, and so we've learned along the way techniques that we should apply then for all the future projects that where we're moving the data